One of the things I try to communicate to my patients is that everyone that walks through our door with a problem also walks in with a solution. My job is to just remind the body that it already has the answer. Hi, my name is Dr. Coby Haynes, and I'm a chiropractor and certified functional medicine doctor, and I've been in practice for about 25 years. I have the greatest job in the world. I get to come in and work with people who are like family and who really want to take responsibility for their own health and are willing to do the required work to get well. I have the privilege of assisting so many patients with a wide variety of problems, including autoimmunity, allergies, and problems associated with gut and brain health. However, at the Center for Functional Medicine, our focus is really on you, not on the condition. Medicine is very good at diagnosing or naming and blaming conditions. However, that does nothing to explain how or why this condition developed in the first place. Traditional medicine only has two tools in its toolbox: drugs and surgery. And those tools work well for acute diseases, trauma, and infection. Sadly, drugs and surgery fail the 125 million Americans who are suffering from complex chronic diseases. So one of the things that I explain to patients is medicine's like the fire department. And if your house is on fire, they'll come in with their axes and fire hoses, kick in the front door, and try and save your house. And they can save your life in a crisis. However, you don't call them back on Monday morning to help you rebuild. You call a carpenter, or in the case of your body, a functional medicine doctor. Chronic conditions like autoimmunity, allergies, or chronic digestive or neurological problems require an approach that looks upstream to identify the root causes and resolve them rather than just trying to suppress symptoms. Instead of asking what drug matches up with this disease, functional medicine asks the vital question that very few other doctors ask. Why do you have this problem in the first place? Why has the body lost its ability to function properly? And what can we do to restore optimal function? Our first goal is to identify the root causes of your condition. Things like chronic stress, toxins, infection, inflammation, or leaky gut. Once we identify these root causes and we eliminate them, we'll begin working on calming down the immune system and identifying any potential ongoing triggers. Things like micro or macronutrient deficiencies, allergies, and any ongoing emotional factors or stressors which may cause future flare-ups. Every patient, no matter what the condition, has their own unique story about how they got there. And it's only when we go deep and really get to know each individual patient that we can put these pieces of the puzzle together and resolve these root causes to allow the body to heal itself. This approach not only helps us to resolve many complex chronic cases, but also allows us to educate you along the way. The best thing I can do for a patient is teach them how not to need me. And once you understand your condition and how to identify potential triggers and what to do during flare-ups, you'll be less reliant on doctors to manage your condition. And why is that? Because it's my sincere belief the best doctor in the world is you, the patient, educated and empowered with the right tools and knowledge to heal yourself. I love what I do and being of service. So we put together a ton of free resources available on our website. If you're ready to take responsibility for your own health and partner with a skilled functional medicine doctor to discover the root causes of your condition, please reach out to us and allow us to partner with you for a personalized plan that is right for you to begin your journey back to health and vitality.